Good morning, students. Today is 29th of October 2020. Again, we are here with our English online Zoom class. As we are discussing the chapter number 7, that is packing, written by Zero K0. Okay. So in the previous class, let us discuss the previous portion, then we proceed to the next portion. Till we have completed point number 11, and today we will continue from point number 12. Right. So up to that, yesterday we have discussed that Harris and George were not good packers, isn't it? The narrator could see piles of cups, plates, kettles, cakes, tomatoes, etc. Soon the packing became very exciting and cups were broken, and after that Harris packed the strawberry jam on the top of the tomato and it squashed. George walked over the butter. The narrator sat and saw them packing. He didn't say a single word. He didn't give any comments or didn't react anything what they are doing. Okay. So this means that they are not a good packers. This irritated George and Harris, no doubt. Whatever they are doing, they also become irritated. They stepped on things, then they didn't find what they wanted to find. They packed the pies at the bottom of the bag and then they squashed them after putting heavy things on them. Now George and Harris upset everything. Everything they upset it. George trod on the butter. While packing, George got butter on his sleeper also. Then they tried to put it in the kettle. It won't go, and what was in wouldn't come out. They at last got it. Then they put it down on a chair. Harris sat on it. It stuck to him. Then they went looking for it over the room. Then they see around the room, they saw it, what they had it. They just sit and they just saw what mesmerizes there around them. Okay. Now we proceed to point number 12, right? Point number 12, take out your book. Point number 12. Now I'm going to read. Montmorency was in it all. Of course, Montmorency ambition in life is to get in the way and be sawn at. If he can swim in anywhere where he particularly is not wanted and be a perfect nuisance and make people mad and have things thrown at his head, and then he feels his day has not been wasted. To get somebody to stumble over him and curse him steadily for an hour is his highest aim and object, and when he has succeeded in accomplishing this, he conceit becomes quite unbearable. So, student, in this paragraph, the dog, here in this paragraph, one dog is there. Three friends are there, George, Harris, Gerald. Along with there, one more dog is there. And the name of the dog is Montmorency. It is there. It is there from the beginning. Okay, but in the packing part, it entered right now. So in the novel, Three Men in a Boat, so three along with the three friends, one more is there, that is their pet dog, and the name of that dog is Montmorency. The dog Montmorency had an ambition, had an ambition in life. It was to get in the way and be a nuisance. What he did? बीच में टांग अड़ाना और फिर शरारती करना. Obviously, most of the dog did that. अधिकतर dogs ऐसे ही करते हैं. So मॉन्टमोरेंसी का भी यही क्वालिटी था कि वो भी जब कुछ कोई काम करता था तो बीच में टांग अड़ाना और फिर अपने कुछ शरारतें करना होता था. He felt that his days was not wasted if he had made people mad. He wanted to make the people mad. लोगों को पागल कर देता था अपने कामों से, अपनी शरारतों से. वे लोगों को डिस्टर्ब करना, लोगों को मैड करना या इरिटेट कर देता था. He had a high aim. It was to get somebody stumble over him. To get stumble over him and curse him. वो उसका एक बहुत ऊंचा लक्ष्य था और हाई एम था. वे था कि उसके ऊपर किसी के द्वारा कोई ठोकर को खा के गिरे और फिर उसको श्राप दे. उसके कारण ठोकर खा के गिरे और फिर उसे कर्स यानी श्राप दे. ठीक है ना, बददुआ दे, कुछ भी दे, उसके कारण वो लाइक है. He is interested. उसका ये एम था. It is his highest aim that he get into somebody stumble over him and then curse him. और फिर उसको वो श्राप देना, ऐसा उसे श्राप देना, ये उसका एक मेन एम था मॉन्टमोरेंसी. राइट. नाउ वी प्रोसीड टू पॉइंट नंबर 13. I would like to request Mitali Rajawat to read point number 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
He came and sat down on things just when they were wanted to be packed, and he labored under the fixed belief that whenever Harris or George reached out their hand for anything, it was his cold damp nose that they wanted. He put his leg into the jam and he worried the teaspoons, and he pretended that the lemons were rats and got into the hamper and killed there of them before Harris could land with him the frying pan.
Thank you so much. So here in this point, Montmorency came, and what he did, he sat down on the things when these were to be packed. When these two people, George and Harris, they are packing, they are busy in the packing. At that time, the dog Montmorency, he entered and he sat down on things. When these were to be packed, he sat down there. Then he put his leg into the jam. Okay, उसने क्या किया? उसने जैम में अपनी टांग डाल दी, जैम की बोतल में. He pretended that the lemons were rats. उसने क्या pretend किया कि lemons कैसे हैं, नींबू कैसे दिख रहे हैं? Rats की तरह. And put those into the hamper. Then what he do? और उसने उनको एक छोटी सी टोकरी में रख दिया. समझ में आ रहा है ना? He just pretend that the lemons were rats and he put those lemons into the hamper. Harry said that the narrator only made the dog to do all that. Okay, according to Harris, he said that the narrator is here zero. He just only made dog to do all these things. But it was natural for a dog to do like that. But it is a natural habitat of a dog. It should not be trained like that to do that. Don't do that like that. हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कि हम डॉग्स को इस तरह का ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, देते हैं कि उसको ऐसा करना है, ऐसा नहीं करना, ऐसा करना लाइक दैट, या मिस्चिफ करना, थोड़ा मिस्चिफ शरारती करना है लाइक दैट. ऐसा नहीं होता. कुछ नेचुरल कैरेक्टर डॉग में भी होती है जो वो थोड़ा बहुत शरारत होता है. Same thing is happened with Montmorency. It is of that type of dog. थोड़ा शरारती था. उसका जब highest aim ऐसा था to get someone stumble over him and curse. तो ये जिस type का ऐसा उसका है character. So you just imagine that कि obviously that type of dog must be having some mischievous character. इसमें कुछ mischievous शरारतीपन तो होगा ही होगा. The same thing is that Harris had that opinion that it was the narrator part which made dog to do all that type of things. Okay. Now we proceed to point number 14. I would like to request Akshat Oja to read point number 14. Akshat Oja.
Harris said, I encouraged him. I didn't encourage him. A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement. It's the natural original sin that is born in him that makes him do things like that. The packing was done at 12:50 and Harris sat on the big hamper and said he hoped nothing would be found broken. George said that if anything was broken, it was broken, which reflection seemed to comfort him. He also said he was ready for bed. We were all ready for bed. Harris was to sleep with us that night and we went upstairs.
Thank you so much. So Harris said that I encouraged him. So Harris blamed, narrated that the dog, whatever the dog Montmorency is doing, it is the support of the narrator. But the narrator, Zerom K. Zero, he just told that it is I didn't encourage him. A dog that doesn't want any encouragement. It is their natural origin part and inborn in him that makes him to do that type of things. ये उनका naturality ऐसा ही होता है. Originally वो born from the born earth, they are doing that type of things. Now the packing was done at 12:50. Okay, night time it is. And Harris sat on the big hamper and said he hoped nothing would be found broken. According to Harris, he told that उसे लगता है कि अब कुछ भी चीज टूटी नहीं होगी. ठीक है. George said that if anything was broken, it was broken, which reflection seemed to comfort him. He also said he was ready for bed. George ने कहा अगर कुछ टूटा भी है, let it be. It is broken, then it's fine. Now it's a time. He told that now it's a time to go to bed. Okay, it's already 12:50. We were all ready for bed, and Harris was to sleep with us that night, and we went upstairs. The point number 15, last second point. We tossed for beds, and Harris had to sleep with me. So they are tossing. कौन बेड के अंदर रहेगा, कौन बेड के बाहर सोएगा, like that. So Harris, on that day, Harris has to sleep with the narrator. He said, do you prefer the inside or the outside J? J means here 0, right? So Harris asked the question to Zerom that, do you like to prefer inside the bed or outside the bed? Where do you want to sleep? I said, I generally prefer to sleep inside the bed. Harris said that it was odd. It was odd. George said, what time shall I wake up you fellows? कितने बजे मैं तुमको उठाऊं? बता दो, ये पूछा जा रहा है जॉर्ज से. Harris said 7 o'clock. I said no, 6, because I wanted to write some letters. Harris and I had a bit of rope over, but at last split the difference and said 6:30. So time, for the time when they woke up, it gives an argument start. Harris told 7, then Zerom told 6. Now they made the conclusion that either not 6 o'clock or 7, it must be 6:30. Okay. So wake us at 6:30, George, we said. कि हमें उठा लेना 6:30 पे, like that. 6:30 पे उठ जाना है. George made no answer, and we found on going over that he had been asleep for some time. So we placed the path where he could tumble into it on getting out in the morning and went to bed ourselves. Now, at last, the packing was done. Harris said that he hoped nothing would be found broken, right? And then they decided to sleep. Then Harris asked the time director if he preferred to sleep inside the bed or outside the bed. George asked when should they wake them. They started to argue over the time, and finally they decided to wake up at 6:30 a.m. So at last, after packing all the things, they went to the bed, slept, and they decided to wake up at 6:30 a.m. So this is the chapter related to entire packing. Is an extract from the novel Three Men in a Boat, right? Three Men in a Boat, and it is a part of it. Its name is given as packing. So students, whatever we have discussed, I think it must clear to you. I hope that we have covered all the points, isn't it? Isn't it, students? Are you there? So I hope whatever we have discussed,
Yes.
packing, as we have discussed that packing, how did it pack, how the Zerum had decided to pack, then the packing of the food articles, George and Harris, how did they packed it, everything about that, the entry of the dog want parents like this, we have seen one by one stage it is there. So in this chapter, it is clear now that we have learned about how to make the things, mesmerized it, isn't it? So I hope it must be clear to you all of, isn't it?